everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Philine, and today we are going to do a haul. We are going to do a underwear hauls. Yes, this is one of my favorite things to do. Shop with the great deals. This is actually 35 or 65% off from Dilliards, and I got this for with additional percentage after that. And it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes. I'm just excited because I have here bras, underwears, and maybe some other stuff. So okay guys, if this is the content that you'd love to watch, like finding good deals and sales and whatever, review and more, okay? I do hauls, reviews, what else? I do sale. Maybe next time I will do, soon I will do a vlog sale as well. And I do have my Mercari down there in this video. You can also click that and follow me in finding good deals and reviews in my FB page, because I post there every day from Amazon. If you love to shop Amazon, I usually post there every day from 20% off to 90% off. Yes, sorry. So Sabu. So this is a haul, and this is a very cutie, nice bra from dun, 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 I don't know, Be Tempted. So this like only more than $14, from $42, of course. And another bra is this one is from dun, 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 Wakol. Wakol is really have a very good quality underwears, bra, panties and bras. So these are the sale, 65% off plus additional other percentage. I forgot, 30 to 40% off. So these are usually, this is Natori. Natori is a pretty good brand. They're originally $68 and now they're like just like $14 and below. Okay. Another bra. By the way, probably you will see some of this bra that it will not fit on me. I probably will just sell it in Mercari. So don't worry, I don't do full price in this. I will just give you discount as well, probably 40% off from me. Why not? So, and then I have this. I have this jogger, and it's really nice from PJ Salvage. It's okay. And then I have this. These are like very nice cotton soft sleeping wear. How much is this? This is only $9, so most likely I pay lower than that. And this pants, this is pajama pants. This is very, very soft, and this is from Hue Tick. Originally they're $34. Yep. And another Wakol. Okay, I will separate that one. So where else? Okay, and these are underwears. Okay, so these underwears like this, and I have this and this and this. Okay, and this one, oh my god, I just noticed this is like a partner with this. Ah, haha, I did not know that. And hang on, this one is the lingerie. So this is lingerie with a tea bag, in it. Isn't it cool? So this has already been sold because yeah, that one is sold. So because I don't wear them. All right, and then dun, 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 dun. Another underwears. They're the same. This one is Wahol. This Wahol underwear. This one is, hang on, Modern Movement. This is really nice underwear, like very soft. And here, okay, and here. Okay, the receipt, very long. Yeah, so the receipt is, wow, very long. So if you buy this for like 65% off, you only have 3 days to return the items. So this is it. Look at my haul. You know what, I probably will just, I'm very amazed with this one because this one is like $69 and I just bought them for like $10, I guess. So this is very pretty, and for lingerie for $10, hello, very cheap. And then with a thong, it's with a thong. Yep, there you go. And more, the bras. There. Ta-da! Okay, that's enough. Okay, so yeah, so I wait a lot of when the Dilliards go on sale, then I can buy the things that I like for myself, and it's really such a great deals. And thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoy my deals. Actually, you try to check out Dilliards. After summer, they will go on sale for 65% off, and that is awesome. Even their shoes, their jewelries, their bags, their clothes, their swimming wear, and all. Okay, thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel and click that bell button. Bye.